An airbag doesn't pump full of air from a tank. In a crash, it literally detonates a solid chemical rocket fuel explosion inches from your face. At 60 miles per hour, an unexpected impact crumples the front bumper in less time than it takes to blink. Deep inside the vehicle frame, micro-electromechanical MEMS accelerometers detect sudden, extreme negative G-force deceleration. Tiny silicon-proof masses bend under inertia, altering electrical capacitance and triggering an instant collision signal. The central control module evaluates sensor data in under 2 milliseconds, confirming a crash and sending an electric current to the wheel. At millisecond 3, a glowing bridge wire vaporizes, igniting a primary charge that sets off the main solid propellant pellets. High-pressure nitrogen blasts through wire mesh filters, cooling the gas and trapping hot toxic slag debris before deployment. Right as the driver's head impacts the cushion, rear vents open, instantly releasing nitrogen to absorb kinetic energy safely. Without controlled deflation, the airbag would act like a solid brick wall. In under 50 milliseconds, the cushion absorbs the entire impact.
Crucial safety systems visualized. Subscribe for more breakdowns.